What's up, guys? I was about to fall asleep and then I got this dang thing stuck in my head. So I ended up coming out here and changing out this bracket and the turn fin. So as you guys can see the difference in size. This is the stock bracket, stock turn fin. UL19 bracket, UL19 turn fin. This is a Mojo Racing bracket, the small. And this is a Mad Lizard hybrid turn fin. And what we did is we ended up sectioning off a couple pieces off of the Mojo turn fin so that it could fit in there. You can see the first cut I gave it was so it could fit with that angle. So this was fitting in there, but I didn't like the way it looked, so it looked cleaner like this. We got it all lined up. Got our turn fin right in the center of gravity, right in the center. Ryan at Mad Lizard also advised us to go ahead and throw a backing plate on there with a tap, so that we could screw it in there. And those are stainless screws. They're the black ones from X-Max kit. I just wanted some extra long ones in there, just to have them in there. So all in all, this thing's about ready to get on the water and go do some testing and tuning. Shout out to Ryan, Mad Lizard, for the tips. Shout out to Rogala Marine for the tips as well. Appreciate you guys. And we'll be out soon.